685 in the house. Blue wave rising. Toa Samoa. From a los uso. Let's go. We come for the islands, heart full of fire. Toa Samoa, we lift it higher. Blood, sweat, mana, that's our desire. Playing for the flag, for the name of our sire. From the village to the world, we hit the field with that warrior flavor. No fear, no doubt, just favor. We're born to fight, to I never waver. 685, we rise, we roar. Toa Samoa, we bring the war from the ocean shores to the crowd encore. Raise that flag, let the lion roar. 685, blue and white, for the culture we unite. Fa'avaele, Toa Samoa, we shining bright under God's light. Hard hits, big dreams, faith in the team. Sweat on the jersey, chasing the dreams. Even before battle, the spirit supreme. For Samoa, we reign like kings. So we grind, we bleed that blue. Every tackle, every trial, we come through. No matter the storm, the sky stay true. Toa Samoa, that's the crew. Toa Samoa drum. 685, where we belong. Raise your hands, sing that song for the motherland. We go lifelong. 685, we rise, we roar. Toa Samoa, we bring the war from the ocean shores to the crowd encore. Raise that flag, let the lion roar. 685, blue and white, for the culture we unite. Fa'avaele, Toa Samoa, we shining bright under God's light. We shining bright under God's light. Yeah. For the bloodline, for the pride, for the islands worldwide.